Hello guys, welcome back with me Ken Wilboy, the CMO of Fortuna Markets. Please watch this video because Ethereum will go up. Ethereum will fly to the moon. Okay, please watch this video. So today I'm going to make my prediction for Ethereum and Bitcoin. So why is Ethereum going up? I think Ethereum will go up to around 4,000 here. Why? Because right now Ethereum is sitting at 2,400. See, as you can see here, 2,400. But why I think Ethereum will go to 4,000? Here's the reason. Okay, I think Ethereum will go to I think Ethereum will go to 4,000 because as you can see here, Ethereum has a very strong resistance here. As you can see here, at around 4,000. Very strong resistance here. So this is our target area, and currently it's still sitting at 2,400. So it got rooms for growth. Yeah, it got rooms. So yeah, it's got room for growth from 2,400 to 4,000. So yeah, if you draw a chart like this here, currently it goes down like this, but soon it will go up here to 4,000. See, right now it's still sitting at 2,400. The reason is because there is a very strong resistance here at 4,000. So in short term, I would say Ethereum would go up. But be careful. For long term, like years, I'm talking about years, not months, but years. If you hold Ethereum for years, be careful. Because Ethereum, I think Ethereum could not go too high. Why? Because Ethereum is not only used for store of value, but Ethereum is also used for paying gas fees. Gas fees is the transaction fees in smart contract blockchain. So let me give you some example. Let's say you're going to a restaurant. Would you like to pay high taxes and high bank fees or low fees? Of course, most people would choose low fees. That's the reason. Ethereum is a smart contract blockchain. So Ethereum is not like Bitcoin, where Bitcoin purpose is only for store of value. Of course, you can pay something with Bitcoin, you can transfer, but it's not ideal because the gas fees is too high and people use Bitcoin as a store of value, just like gold. But Ethereum is different. People are not buying it only for store of value. People are buying it because they want to use it to pay for the gas fees in Ethereum blockchain. Like if you transfer USDT between Ethereum wallet on Ethereum blockchain, ERC20, of course, the transaction fees will be in Ethereum. That is the reason why it cannot go too high. If it goes too high, the users would not be happy. The investors would be happy, but the users would not be happy. So it's like a double-edged sword. On one end, investors would like Ethereum to go very high, but users would not like for Ethereum to go too high. The lower it goes, the happier the users. The lower the gas fees, the lower the transaction fees, and the lower the transaction volume. So that is the reason why Ethereum, I think, in short term, it would be very likely to go to 4,000. It's a very likely. I mean, like, as you can see here, the chart, it has gone to 4,000 for a couple of times already. So why not again, like this one, first, second, why not third time? So yeah, it's very likely to go to 4,000 because it had reached 4,000 for a couple of times already. as you can see here, there's a very strong resistance. Why not again? That's the reason. So 4,000 USD is my target for Ethereum. But for Bitcoin, let's go now for Bitcoin. Okay, this is the chart of Bitcoin, daily time frame, D1. Okay, what is my prediction? I think in short term, as you can see, there is a very strong resistance here. And by the way, Ethereum also is still very, very cheap, because other coins like Bitcoins, it almost reached its all-time high. See, it goes very, very high. It goes up, and up, and now it's sitting at around its all-time high price. But for Ethereum, it has not reached its all-time high. See, it's still far from, it's not even the all-time high. The all-time high is like almost 5,000 here, but it's still very, very far from its all-time high. So its all-time high is at 5,000. Now it's 2,400. But let's make a good like conservative prediction, 2,400 for Ethereum. Okay, let's go back to Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is different. Currently, it's sitting at its all-time high, about its all-time high, and it's sitting at very strong resistance here. So I think Bitcoin would go down. Let's say there is a strong support here, at around 93,000. So yeah, this is my target. So for short term, I think Bitcoin would go down like this to 93,000, and then it will go up again. Okay, like this. See, this is my target. So it will go down first to 93,000, then it will go up. I don't know, like it go up past through the all-time high. Why? Because Bitcoin for short term, why is my prediction going down? Because currently it's very expensive. Bitcoin is at its all-time high, or about its all-time high. But for long term, like years, I'm talking about years, 5 years, 10 years, if you hold it for years, Bitcoin, it's, I'm always bullish on Bitcoin, because it's a store of value, just like gold. They said Bitcoin is gold 2.0. It's the digital gold. It's the best way to store money and move money. If you want to move countries, to move money between countries, it's the best way. There is no other way around. Like if you transfer money with banks between countries, let's say at least like at least $1 million or up, $1 million and up. Of course, the bank would require you to fill all the documents, all the paperwork. You need to give the reason why are you transferring out, why are you moving money out of the country. But with Bitcoin, it's very simple. Maybe in a minute, and the money goes out from one country to another country. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. It's simply there is no replacement. It's the best store of value in crypto, and the original crypto coin. So that's the reason why Bitcoin, for me, for long term, it's very, very bullish, and it will only go up and up for long term. But for short term, of course, it will go up and down. So in short term, I think it will go to 93,000. See, 93. But long term, I think it will go past through the all-time high. As you can see here, it will go past the strong resistance here. It will just go past through it. Maybe it's just about time. It will happen, but we don't know when. Maybe after Trump made some pro-Bitcoin speech or pro-Bitcoin regulation, maybe Bitcoin will fly. But most certainly, one day Bitcoin will pass its all-time high. Of course, right now it's even near its all-time high, but here is it. For short term, it will go down to 93,000 for long term, and it will go up again, up and up and up. That's for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is not like Ethereum. It's both are crypto, but it's different. Ethereum is also used for transaction fees, so it cannot go too high. Short term, it will go up, but long term, it has its limit. For Bitcoin, long term, it's only up and up, but for short term, of course, it will go down a little bit because it's currently sitting at its resistance area. So yeah, if you want to trade Ethereum or Bitcoin or other crypto coin or even Forex, gold, please use Fortuna Markets because it's the best platform out there. It has the lowest fees in the world. If you find any other platform with lower fees, please tell me, because right now, from my experience, there is not a single platform which has lower fees than Fortuna Markets. Fortuna Market right now, I think it's the best platform to trade. Okay, link in description if you want to trade with Fortuna Markets. If you want signals from Fortuna Markets too, they have a very good group of analysts, very good signals. Also, link in description. Free, 100% without any requirement. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.